Welcome to JavaScript tutorial, and this is Introduction in JavaScript. JavaScript is programming language that allows you to implement complex features on web pages and also create dynamic pages. We mentioned in HTML and CSS tutorial that we use HTML to define structure of web page. And with CSS, we can declare different styles for specific web page. And also, we can say that HTML and CSS are more markup languages than programming languages. On the other hand, JavaScript is programming language that allows you to make web pages interactive. Now, question is, what is JavaScript used for? On first place, we use JavaScript to add interactive behavior to web pages. For example, show or hide information with click of the button, or let's say display animations. Creating web and mobile apps, and for that developers use different frameworks like React, Angular, etc. And also we can use JavaScript to build simple web servers using Node.js. In the end, let's see why we use JavaScript. There are many benefits of using JavaScript. For example, JavaScript is only programming language native to web browser. Also, JavaScript is most popular language. And JavaScript is very interesting and fun to learn. In this tutorial, we will study important parts of JavaScript and try understand benefits of this programming language. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.